In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the A4 UV printer Panda. We'll start by showing the A4 UV's accessory display. This is a magnetic pad that can be printed with scales to locate your items. The black side is magnetic and can be adsorbed to the printing platform. Normally, you need to leave about 7 centimeters of print space empty. This is a steel ruler. Print position and print size can be measured at any time. This is the power cord of the machine. Connect the power from the back of the machine. This is a spare ink tube. This is a spare fuse. This is a spare ink damper. These 2 rolls of tape are used to fix item for printing. This is a lint-free cloth for cleaning. This is the syringe used to pull ink out. Use the syringe to guide the ink for the first time use. These are 5 colors of ink, CMYKW, and the other bottles are coatings for different items such as acrylic, metal, etc. If the printed image is easy to peel off on the item, you need to treat the item with a coating before printing. This is print head protection fluid, used to protect the print head from clogging when the printer is not used for a long time. Pour the protection liquid into the bottle, then put the ink tube into the bottle, and use a syringe to pull out the ink from the damper. Then switch the ink dampers, then clean the print head in your software and flow the moisturizing fluid into the print head to protect. This print head cleaning swab can remove solidified ink at the bottom of the print head. Here are the printer control buttons. Let's take a look at the printer's operation screen. Click forward to pull out the printing platform. Click downward to move the printing platform down. After placing the item, you can click the online button, and the machine will automatically retract the printing platform and adjust the height. Open the lid of the printer, and there is a device to hold it in place. When closing the lid, you also need to move it. This yellow belt is used to move the trolley. The transparent tape is the encode strip of the printer, which controls the printing accuracy. This is the slide railway of the trolley. This is a UV lamp using air-cooled UV lamps. This button is used to adjust the power of the UV lamp. Here are the printer's ink bottles. There is a small fan here for motor cooling. Open the cover on the right side of the machine. It is fixed with magnets. This is the waste ink bottle of the printer. Waste ink generated during the printing process of the machine will be discharged here. This is the white ink circulation device of the printer. Open the cover on the left side of the machine. You can see there is an odor filter device here that absorbs the odor produced by the ink. Add ink to the bottle in according to color sequence. After adding the ink, you also need to guide it at the damper. Our corresponding syringe draws in the appropriate color. After adding the ink, you also need to guide it at the damper. The last step is to pull ink from the waste ink line so that the ink can fill the entire ink system. Let's demonstrate the use of cylindrical jig. First, we see that there is a plug connection under the printing platform. Unplug it and connect it to the cylindrical jig. Place the cylindrical jig on the printing platform and start printing on the cylindrical jig.
SUV Panda Edition software driver installation. Before installation, it is necessary to insert a white USB drive and a blue light encryption dock. Create a UV folder on the computer's C drive. Then open the computer security center, find the exclusion item, add a UV folder to prevent accidental deletion by the security center. After completion, copy the contents of the white USB drive to the UV folder. Copy the file to the UV folder on the computer's C drive. Then open the second folder and install Procolored software first. After popping up a prompt box, click the Repair button. Continue to click the Repair button and then click Close. Pop up this prompt box to indicate that the software installation is complete. Next, click on S drive to select those bit and then install L-Baba driver. When installing the driver, it is necessary to turn on the printer power and connect the data transmission cable. Set the software canvas size after the driver installation is completed. Canvas width set to 8.6 inches, length set to 10.9 inches. Then select the correct printer driver and corresponding curve file. Finally, check the printer status, and if it shows ready to print, it indicates that the installation is complete.
Connect the power. Switch on. Plug in the white USB to the computer. Plug in the printer's USB cable into the computer. Then plug in the blue dongle to the computer. Click the power switch on the back of the machine to turn on the machine. Click the power button on the front to start the machine. Open the upper cover of the machine. You can see the machine is in self-test process. The print head moves. Solid green means the startup is complete. Select the printer in the software. Click the forward button to take the printing platform out. Put the acrylic material we need to print on. Click the online button, and the printing platform will automatically retract and adjust its height. Print nozzle check page in the software. You can see that the print head is moving. The blue light is by the UV lamp. The print head test strip shows good. Use tape to fix the acrylic board. Retract the printing platform and start printing. Infrared light can be seen here, and it can automatically adjust the platform according to the thickness of the item. Once we've done that, we can start printing for the first time. Import the pattern to be printed in the software. Then set the size and position adjustment of the pattern to be printed. Click to print. Waiting for print conversion and print completion. That's all for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching.